Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has made a clearer 5-wave move to the upside now. Actually, we can now count this yellow wave 5 in 5 subwaves as well, which makes a little bit more sense then, because we did spike a little bit earlier to 1940. Let's just double check if that was actually aligned with the targets we discussed before. So we had our wave, we measure the wave 1 through 3, go to the low of the 4th wave, and yeah, pretty clearly it reached a 61.8 extension. We talked about that 1931 level. You can see it pretty much got rejected there, did overshoot a little bit by a few dollars, but that was it. See a red engulfing candle now. So it could very well be that we're now coming down in the 4th wave. I don't have great clarity about this. I already highlighted to you earlier today in the video that I don't really want to call out a top here, because calling out a top in a potential 3rd wave rally is dangerous. Pullbacks can be very shallow. So I don't have great clarity if this is now blue wave 4, but if it is, it would all be in a shape of a diagonal. Yeah, so wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, wave 3 to the upside. We could now be in the 4th wave here. And if it is, then support is 1853. So we had a trend reversal area here which worked. We had one here that worked. We had one here that worked. Bear in mind, at some point these will break. Yeah, it's like a trend line that will break at some point. It's just a bit more sophisticated. At some point, this is when the count breaks. These support levels will break as well, at least one of them, and then we head to the next one. But at the moment, I've got this one next, basically between 1899 and 1853. Could be a very shallow wave 4, then it will react most likely to 1899. Ideal target for a 4th wave is always the 1873 level in this case, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, and the 50% would be standard support. Yeah, but note that if this really is a diagonal pattern, then it might actually come down a little lower, making it a little bit unreliable. But still, this is standard support for a 4th wave, so I leave it on the chart. Ideally, we are holding this 50% Fib level for continuation of the upside pressure. Yeah, so this is what I'm observing now. I can't really give you a target for the 5th because we don't have a wave 4 low in place yet, right? This can easily also escalate higher directly. So I don't want to call a top here because, let's be honest, if this is a 3rd wave rally, I mean, we can calculate the target for the 3rd wave. I mean, let's do that. Just that you get an idea. I already had a few comments, you know, when is the best time to enter? I mean, yeah. So let's just target 1.618 extension. Yeah, we're talking about 2,460 as a minimum target for the 3rd wave, right? So what's the best time to enter? Now, first of all, that depends on you, you know, your own portfolio strategy. You know, what might work for one person doesn't work for another person. You know, think about charts not only in terms of up or down. Think about your trading decisions in terms of what have your previous trading decisions been like, what's your portfolio, where does your risk sit, and so on. It's much more complex than that. We talk about that a lot in the channel membership, in the trading course as well, that you can find on the website. But what is important to understand is we had one entry point here. I mean, I can never tell you these are entry points really. They are trend reversal areas, but a pullback trader might find them useful for a long trade. We had one here and we had one here. Yeah, so I mean, they are on the chart. Either you use them or not, but if you use them, that's up to you. They are basically only areas where I believe the price has a chance to turn around. I use these myself, not all of them, yeah. Because I've got my own strategy. I bought quite a bit on the 10th of March in this long-term area. Quite happy with that. That was certainly the right decision because this was the main wave 2. And I'm holding on to it. Yeah, it's my core position that I try to use to ride the 3rd wave. So that's all good. And but yeah, you know, we've got these. There are trend reversal areas every day. It's just at some point you need to use it if you want to, right? So, and I can't give you a specific entry point because honestly, this really depends on your own portfolio, your own risk management, your own risk appetite, and so on. I don't know you, and I'm not legally allowed to anyway. So, but yeah, you've got everything on the chart to work with, you know, and then you just need to put it into practice really. So that's sort of where we are with Ethereum. Trend is up. Yeah, we might now see that pullback because we have a possible 5-wave move to the upside complete. So we might get into that support area here. We're nearly there anyway. I mean, if it's a wave 4, these pullbacks can be fairly shallow. 1899, I mean, we're already at 1909, so we're not far away anyway. So yeah, let's see if we get there. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.